Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Facebook session expired error on your mobile device. So this problem can stop you from using Facebook normally, but there are a few simple methods that you can try to solve it. So first, I want you to open the app on your iPhone and search for Facebook. If the button beside the app says open, your Facebook app is already updated. However, if it says update, tap it and wait for the latest version to install. Android users can follow the same process through the Google Play Store. And if the error still appears, try removing Facebook from your phone and install it again. On an iPhone, press and hold the Facebook app, select Remove App, and complete the removal. After that, return the App Store, search for Facebook, and download it again. And next, completely close the Facebook app, open your recent app screens, find Facebook, and swipe it upward to close it. Then open the app again and check whether the problem has been fixed. And finally, restart your phone. You can press and hold the power button or open the power controls from your device's control center, and then turn the phone off, wait for a moment, and then switch it back on. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.